Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Why not make this beautiful Valentine's Day rose cake? It's so easy to decorate. Just get a basic raspberry cake or any red cake of your choice, perhaps red velvet. Then fill and cover it in white buttercream frosting. Create a smooth work surface to decorate. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then we're going to paste some pink buttercream icing around the middle of the outside. Stick on a rose. Wrap some rope around it. Tie a lovely bow. Let's stick on some mini macarons. Pink, of course. And some rose petals on top. Beautiful. Let's stick on some sprinkles too, and a few for extra measure. And there you have it. Absolutely stunning. So easy to make. Valentine's Day rose cake. Serve to your loved ones. Today we've got a beautiful Fondant Rose Layer Cake for you. Let's have a go. Start with a basic strawberry cake and pipe on white buttercream icing. Layer it up and coat. Smooth it out. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and then roll out some pink fondant icing. Cut it into strips. Then wrap them around like so to form a spiral. Place that aside and next roll out white fondant icing. Cutting that into strips too. Ready to wrap around your cake. Using water as glue to stick on each layer, slightly overlapping. Lovely. Now place your pink fondant spiral on the top. And paint the edges with gold food colouring. Beautiful. For a finishing touch, stick on some gold leaf. Here and there, around the sides. And there you have it. Carefully slice. And reveal the pink delight that lies within. Fondant Rose Layer Cake. Enjoy!